So in this video, what we're going to work on is how to take your main body panel and your fin and attach them together. So then it'll look something like this at the bottom. So to do that, you need to open up Inventor, and you want to go, if you're on this screen, you want to go to Assembly. If not, you can go up here, File, and hover over New, and go to Assembly there. And the first thing you want to do is get your parts. So go in to Place, not Content. Some kids will do that. So not Place from Content Center. Nope, just simply Place. And you want to go get your main body panel. So you've got to have really good file management in order to do that. So I'm going to go to my Design and Modeling. I'm going to go to my air skimmer. Here are all my air skimmer parts. I want this one open. So I'm going to click on that. And I only want one. So once I have my first one, I can hit Escape. And now we're going to move on to our next piece, which is going to be the air fins. So you want to, again, go to Place and go find your air fins. Mine are in the same one. And now we only made one, but they're duplicates because we can duplicate it because they're identical. So put your two on there and Escape. Now what I like to do is I like to line them up so they're semi in line with the main body panel. So you can see I've got them a little closer. You don't want them touching, however. Oh, if that ever happens, just hit the return button up here in the upper left-hand corner. All right, so you're going to rotate this. This one's a little far back. So you're not doing this so they can connect to it. That's not what you're doing right here. You're going to have Inventor do the connecting. So the first thing, or not the first thing, but the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to Constrain right here. And on Constrain, I'm going to do the mate function. So I'm going to glue this part right here. I'm going to glue that. I'm going to rotate this around to that side of it, to this side of the main body panel right here. And it'll make that noise. I'm going to hit Apply. And when I click on that, you'll notice that it's not in the right spot. And it's really not going to be because you haven't done the other parts, or you haven't told the other directions that you want it to do. So the next thing we're going to do is we need to flush the bottom with the bottom now. So we're going to go up to Constrain again, and you're going to click on the Flush feature. And you want to make this bottom of the air fin, that little rectangle there, flush with the bottom of the air skimmer main body panel. So you really got to look, and that's the part you want right here. So use the technology, zoom in and out, and then hit Apply. And you'll notice that when I do that, it is now even with the bottom, and it's glued to the side. But what's going to happen is if you grab this, it's going to move around left and right, which is fine, but it won't go up and down, because as I try to move up and down, the whole main body panel moves up and down, because we need to flush it now so it's back here. Okay. So the next thing you want to do is, again, hit Return. Next thing you want to do is, this is going to be a little different, but you're going to go to Constrain. And again, you're going to go to Flush. And this time you want to flush this little rectangle of the fin with the front C shape of the main body panel right here. Now, that might be a little weird because it's actually in the wrong spot. It's in the front. And that's fine. That's where this offset button comes in. And the whole main body panel is 8 inches, and the fin is 3 inches. I'm sorry. The whole main body panel is 11 inches, and the fin is 3 inches. So 11 minus 3 gives you 8. So up here in the offset, we're going to type in 8 and enter. And what that means is you're telling Inventor that you want the distance from this front face to this front face right here. I want that to be 8 inches from there to there. And once you have that, and you hit Apply, I will not be able to grab this and move it around. I mean, I can move it around, but they will not come apart. Okay, then you know you have them attached correctly.